Welcome to WebMerge. In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically create a welcome letter with WebMerge and have it stored in Citrix ShareFile. We're going to do this in 3 steps. The first step will be to create a template welcome letter within WebMerge. The second step will be to create a delivery method of the populated welcome letter over to your Citrix ShareFile account. The third and final step will be to map the merge fields within our template to the correct data source fields, which in this video will be Salesforce. So the first step will be to create a template within WebMerge. To do this, we're going to first sign into our WebMerge account, which will bring us to our Documents page, which is what we're looking at here. We want to create a new template, therefore we're going to click the New Document blue button here. When we click the button, we'll be prompted to name the document. We'll name our document CC2, and then click Next. You'll then be asked where you would like to build or upload your template. You have 3 options. You can build your template within WebMerge's Document Builder, which has all the functionality of a Microsoft Word. You can upload a fillable PDF template. And lastly, you can build your template within Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. With PDF and your Microsoft Office applications, you'll need to build the template there and input the merge field, WebMerge merge fields within the document, save to your computer, then you'll click Browse and upload to WebMerge here. Today we're going to showcase the document builder within WebMerge. I've already built a document today. It's a welcome letter. As you can see here, the gray tab flow here is the flow to build a template within WebMerge. So we're in our document builder now. You can see I've already built the body of this welcome letter here, and there's also merge fields put in place. Our merge fields are customizable within WebMerge. There's a few rules. One, you'll need to start each merge field with a squiggly bracket and a $sign, and then you'll need to finish the merge field with a squiggly bracket. As far as what goes in between, that's up to you what you'd like to name the merge field. There's only 2 rules there. You won't be able to put any spaces within the merge field and no special characters. Other than that, you can customize it how you see fit. You can see we have several other ones: address, city, state, zip, and then several at the bottom here as well. Once you're happy with your document and your merge fields are in place, you can click Save Document, and then we'll move along our workflow tabs to customize our settings next. We've already named our template the welcome letter. We'll need to choose the output. We can choose PDF, Microsoft Word, Excel, and many others. In this example, we'll choose PDF. Then we'll need to designate the page size. 8.5 by 11 is default. We also have several other options, including a custom option on page size. Portrait or landscape, we'll choose portrait in this example. Then, very important, we'll need to name the file. So the template is named welcome letter, but each time this template gets populated, a new file comes through, and we need to tell the computer what we'd like to name the file. This is where we can use merge fields. When you click the drop-down menu, any merge field you put within your document is available to you to use again. If there's a data source you'd like to name this file that's not already a merge field, you can click Other and enter in a new merge field. For this example, I'd like to name each file that comes through specifically as the person's name. So I'll click Name. And at that point, our settings are set up. So we'll save our settings. And we'll move along our tab flow here over to our Deliver tab, which I've already set up a delivery method to a ShareFile storage account. Just to show you the flow, we'll click Edit, and we'll need to set this up. As far as account, the first time you sign in, you'll need to give WebMerge access to your ShareFile account, which you'll need to put your username and your password. After that, it will automatically bring up your account when you are signed into your WebMerge account. You'll then need to choose your folder within ShareFile that you'd like to save your document. As you can see, I've chosen WebMerge Documents as a template, or excuse me, a file that I have saved within ShareFile. So I'll choose to have my document saved within the WebMerge Documents folder. And then you're able to give a description of the document that you're storing. At this point, your delivery is set up. You'll click Save Delivery, and you've now successfully set up a template within WebMerge of your welcome letter, and you've also successfully set up a delivery method of the populated document to be saved in your ShareFile account. The last step would be to come over to your data source, which in this example is Salesforce, and map the merge fields to the correct Salesforce fields. I've already built a mapping here, so we'll come into our mapping. First steps, you'll need to name your mapping, welcome letter. You're able to give a description if you'd like. And then more importantly, we'll need to tie the template and the merge fields over to a specific Salesforce object. Any standard or custom object is available to tie a template. In this example, I'd like to tie the welcome letter over to the Salesforce object contact. So I'll make the selection. Then we'll need to tell Salesforce which resource we use within WebMerge, a document or a data route. Since we have a single document, we'll choose document. And then we'll need to choose the specific WebMerge document. So we'll click our drop down. Any template that you've created within WebMerge comes up as an available option. You'll choose the document specifically you're trying to set up a mapping, which in this case is the welcome letter. At this point, the merge fields from your template will be sent over to Salesforce, and they'll be showcased here on the left side, the WebMerge fields. These are all the merge fields you put within the squiggly brackets within your template. And we'll need to one-to-one map these over to the correct Salesforce field. So when we come into this section, these spaces will be empty. They'll say none, and you'll be able to search all available Salesforce fields to make the connection. In this example, I want to have company name, so I'll type in account name. It will search, pull up account name, and that successfully maps name over to account name, so the correct information will go into the merge field. We'll do the same thing for all the other merge fields: address, billing street, city, billing city, state, billing state, and so on. Once you've made all of your mappings, you'll click Save, and this will activate the mapping of the welcome letter over to the correct Salesforce fields within Salesforce. At this point, we just need to do a test. So we'll come over to a contact, since we tied our template to a contact, John Doe. If you download the managed package of WebMerge within Salesforce, within the classic view, you'll see a WebMerge button that pops up here, and this will give you access to populating your templates within WebMerge. If you're in the Lightning view, it'll be within a drop-down. So if we want to create a welcome letter and send it over to John Doe and have it saved within your ShareFile account, click the WebMerge button, and it'll pull up any available template that we've tied over to our contact object within Salesforce. You can see welcome letter is an available option here. We'll click the Merge Now button. At this point, the data from this contact is being sent over to WebMerge. WebMerge is populating the merge fields, creating the document, and then honoring the deliverables you set in place. Our only deliverable in this example is to send it over to your ShareFile account within your WebMerge Documents folder. So we'll come over to our ShareFile account, we'll refresh our page, and as you can see, within our WebMerge Documents folder, we have a new welcome letter that was just sent over. We'll open, and as you can see, the merge fields pulled the correct information: today's date, company name and address, even the rep's information down here. At this point, we've finished creating the welcome letter. We successfully set up a delivery over to our ShareFile account, and we mapped correctly over to our data source. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support team at support@webmerge.me or check out our website at webmerge.me.